So the next thing I want to do in this lecture is to see if these models are capable of understanding an online PDF link. So just like this earnings release link that we got from Google, Bard from the last lecture, I'm going to use this as a reference and feed it into the models to see if they can actually work with links. Can you summarize the data in this link? And Bard did a tremendous job. It was pretty fast. It got in and got me the data from it. Not only understood that, okay, this is the earnings report for Alphabet, and it got and fetched me the right data that I was looking for within that link. Let's go try this with ChatGPT with web browsing enabled. Can you summarize this link? So it gave me a similar error again. I apologize, but it seems there's currently an issue with opening the provided URL. One more thing I can do is I can go to GPT-4, go to plugins, and then within plugins, I can ask your PDF plugin and chat with PDF plugin. Let's try these two because both these try and do the same thing. Unlock the power of your PDFs, dive into your documents, find answers, and bring information to your fingertips. And this one says plugin for asking questions, analyzing and parsing through PDF documents by simply providing a PDF URL. So let's try this one first. Chat with PDF. Summarize this link for me. And let's see what the model comes up with. And this time it worked. Actually, the plugin was able to fetch me the data from the link. It was really slow compared to how fast the Bard was, but the plugin was able to find the relevant data from the earnings call that I was looking for, and it provided me the information. So in this way, GPT-4 plugins were able to help me work with the PDF link, but Bard was way faster. Let's try Bing. It contains information about a company's financial performance. I just said you read through the link to get a better understanding. If you have specific questions, no. So it's not reading the link, it's actually reading this link URL, and based on that, it's saying it's a PDF file for Alphabet's Q1 2023 earnings because it's reading the PDF file link. It's not actually going through the link to fetch the information for us. So that's one way that it's different. We can further dive into it and try and figure out specific information. Can you tell me the changes in revenue year over year for year 2022? So let's ask a specific question and see how well the models perform in terms of getting us the relevant information if we're looking for. Alphabet's revenue in 2022 was this, increased by 9.78 from 2021. The growth was driven by a number of factors, and these are the factors. Okay, now let's see how well does GPT does when I ask the same question. So although GPT got me the answer, but it's not accurate in terms of it's giving me the revenue for Q1 2022 while I asked for the change in revenue for the year 2022. So not the exact information that I was looking for, but it does the job in terms of extracting some information from a PDF link that I've provided.